This is my friend
Sheena.
We're gonna do a full face cheetah on her today. So this is the Maui, I think it's a global Maui one stroke, and I went ahead and loaded the sponge. I'm just using the orange, yellow, and the white section of it. So cheetah is a full face design. Miss Sheena, we're gonna start. And I go around the outside first to get the best and most coverage possible. So cheetah and tiger have a similar base that I like to work with, which is start on the outside and do all the color all the way around first, and then we work towards the inside of the face. So I'm gonna remove the orange and just fill the sponge up with yellow and white this time. Put your chin up really, really high. I'm gonna add just a little bit of glitter. Tilt your head back. Okay, back towards me. I'm gonna load my wolf black using my Mark Reed number 6 round. And I'll start with her nose. I'm gonna swap out to my number 2 round. Pretty red lips. All right, my dear, you ready? Open up.
They look so pretty.
You're beautiful, sweetie. Yeah, you put glitter everywhere, honey.
Glitter.
Uh-huh. What sound does your cheetah make? Awesome, you're so pretty. You like it?
Mm-hmm. I really like it.
You're beautiful.
It's glitter.
Mm-hmm. Come here. Thank you, everybody.